Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Smriti Ahuja and today I'll be sharing with you need for proofreading your manuscript. So let's quickly understand what is proofreading. It simply means that you are revising your work before you give it away for final submission, final publication to your research guide or your supervisor. So it is the last stage where you have just finished all your research work and now it is ready for submission. We will understand why proofreading is so important in 4 steps. So the first step, why it is so important, because when you proofread your document, it brings out so many errors, so many inconsistencies that tends to distract your readers, confuse your readers. So to give a distraction-free experience, we go for proofreading so that we can detect wrong word errors. So let me here give you an example of a wrong word error. Suppose you are looking for the synonym for famous in your computer's dictionary because you want to use this word in your manuscript, and your computer dictionary comes out with a suggestion notorious. So now notorious is simply opposite of famous. Famous is used in positive sense for respectable people in their field, whereas notorious is used in a very negative sense, that is for criminals who are famous and popular but for all the wrong reasons. So it simply changes the meaning. Another example here I can quote. There was an Australia publisher in 2010 who had incurred a lot of loss just because he replaced the word people with pepper, and he had to reprint 7,000 copies of his manuscript. So now you imagine ignoring proofreading can cost you your time, your effort and even your money. Another point why proofreading is so important, because you ignore it, it increases the possibility of desk rejection of your manuscript. And this happens because all these errors go unnoticed. For example, another error we have is homophones. So homophones are simply the words which are pronounced in a similar way, but their spelling and their meaning is entirely different. So for example, when you say peace, it means Shanti. When you say peace, it means stuff. When you say right, it means Sahi. When you say right, it means Likhna. So it entirely changes the meaning of the whole manuscript. Another common mistake that we make during our research work is your spelling and typo errors. Yeah. So for example, you want to write you are but you are writing your, but when you are trying to mean you are but you end up writing your. Another common mistake that we make, for example, affect, it is a verb, but effect, it is a noun. So it all changes the meaning of your research document and it confuses your readers, and you don't want to have that. Okay. Another point why proofreading is so important, because it builds coherence, clarity and accuracy. So coherence simply means that you stick to one format throughout the whole document of your research work, and you are using that format. For example, if you write the date in this format, it should not be converted into this format or this one in the later half. Similarly, we have to be very careful with compound words. So that means compound words are actually two words and they are separated either by hyphen or either by space, or they are written together. But you have to decide which format you want to go for. So for this example, let me show you a manuscript which has so many inconsistencies. So now check out this manuscript. It has not been proofread by the author and it shows so many imperfections. So the author has switched formats while expressing headings. In first format, only the first letter is in uppercase and rest all in running. In another format, all the letters are in uppercase. If you check out the words like behavior and this behavior, American and British, both English has been used, but we need to stick to one format only. Another example, if you see, the percentage sign has been expressed here, but whereas in another sentence, the author has expressed percent in words. Similarly, 15 has been written in words, whereas 100 has been written in numerics. So there is no consistency in the format the author has used throughout the manuscript. Also, if you check out compound words, in the first sentence, this compound word time dependent is separated by a dash, whereas in another sentence, time dependent has been separated only by a space. So it shows so many imperfections on the part of author who has ignored the function of proofreading. Another point why proofreading is so important, because it adds perfection to your document while you are expressing minute details like abbreviation, acronyms or short forms or even definitions. So for example, if you check out here, the author has expressed a abbreviation in the first sentence, but he has not mentioned the full form. So in the first sentence, it is not clear what CBT is. Only when you read the second sentence, it is clear that CBT is a short form for cognitive behavior theory, and there is no link between the two. So the right format is, when you want to give a short abbreviation, so you have to express it in full form in the first time you are using that word. So for example, here the author has expressed cognitive behavior theory in full form, and also in bracket the author has denoted the short form. And in the second sentence, now you can safely use this short form throughout your manuscript. The last point why proofreading is so important, because it is the reflection of your research effort, it is the reflection of your research style, and it gives the first impression in your professional world of writing. And it has been proven also, 59% of people reject buying products from a company where there are so many spelling errors on their website. So they do not trust those companies. And that is why proofreading is so important and it cannot be ignored. So I hope you find this content informative. I'll be coming with more useful content in future. If you find our content resourceful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Till then, for any query or any proofreading service, you can drop an email on this email ID. Thank you.